welcome to Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. You like studying Chinese? Me too. But how do you say me too in Mandarin Chinese? No worries, we'll learn to say also or too in today's lesson. When you want to express also or too in Mandarin Chinese, simply use this word ye. Ye is translated as also or too. You can use it with a verb, verb phrase, or adjective. The grammatical structure for ye would be subject plus ye plus the verb phrase, or the adjective. One important note here is that ye has to always come before the verb phrase, or the adjective. It's never placed in the end of the sentence. Here are a couple example sentences with verb phrases. Person A says, 我是德国人, I'm German. And person B wants to say that he or she is also German. What do they say? 我也是德国人, I'm also German. Person A says, 我想学中文, I want to learn Chinese. Person B wants to learn Chinese too. What do they say? 我也想学中文, I also want to learn Chinese. Person A says, 我喜欢吃臭豆腐, I like eating stinky tofu. Person B likes eating stinky tofu too. What do they say? 我也喜欢吃臭豆腐, I also like eating stinky tofu. Person A says, 我会去看电影, I'm going to see a movie. Person B is going to see a movie too. What do they say? 我也会去看电影. I'm also going to see a movie. Person A says, 我觉得今天有点热, I think it's kind of hot today. Person A thinks so too. What do they say? 我也觉得今天有点热. I also think it's kind of hot today. Let's practice using 也 with some adjectives. Person A says, 我妈妈很漂亮. My mom is pretty. Person B's mom is pretty too. What do they say? 我妈妈也很漂亮. My mom is also pretty. Person A says, 我很生气. I'm mad. Person B is mad too. What do they say? 我也很生气. I'm also mad. Person A says, 这本中文书很难. This Chinese book is difficult. Person B thinks the other Chinese book is also difficult. What do they say? 那本中文书也很难. That Chinese book is also difficult. Person A says, 我妹妹很高. My younger sister is tall. Person B's younger brother is also tall. What do they say? 我弟弟也很高. My younger brother is also tall. Person A says, 啤酒很好喝. Beer is delicious. Person B thinks wine is also delicious. What do they say? 红酒也很好喝. Wine is also delicious. Do you have a good idea on how to use ye to express also or too in Mandarin Chinese now? Let's take it a step further to learn how to say either in Mandarin Chinese. In Mandarin Chinese, we don't have the word either when the sentence is negative. You use the same word ye for both positive and negative sentences. Here are some examples with verb phrases and adjectives of negative sentences using ye. Person A says, 我不喜欢上班, I don't like working. Person B agrees. What do they say? 我也不喜欢上班, I don't like working either. Person A says, 我不知道他在哪, I don't know where he or she is. Person B doesn't know either. What do they say? 我也不知道他在哪, I don't know where he or she is either. Person A says, 我没有钱, I don't have money. Person B is in the same shoes. What do they say? 我也没有钱, I don't have money either. Person A says, 我不累, I'm not tired. Person B doesn't feel tired either. What do they say? 我也不累, I'm not tired either. Person A says, 这个糖果不甜, this candy bar is not sweet. Person B wants to say the other candy bar is not sweet either. What do they say? 那个糖果也不甜. That candy bar is not sweet either. Want to be short and sweet and just say something like me too or me either? Sure. In Mandarin Chinese, when you want to reply with me too or me either, the simplest way to say it is 我也是. When someone says 我喜欢吃臭豆腐, I like eating stinky tofu, and you want to reply with me too, just say 我也是. When someone says 我很累, I'm tired, you can reply 我也是 to express me too. For negative sentences, you can also use 我也是 to express me either. When someone says 我不喜欢上班, I don't like working, you can use 我也是 to express me either. When someone says 这个糖果不甜, this candy bar is not sweet, you can reply 那个也是 to express that candy bar either. Pretty simple, right? Let me know if there's any expressions you'd like to learn in Mandarin Chinese in the comments. If you think this lesson was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Bye, 下次见!